Hello and welcome to our training. On this particular training, I want to talk to you about how you can take advantage of the workflow automation tools in Zoho to automate additional updates within your contact records based off of the call outcomes during your PhoneBurner dial sessions. Wow, that's a mouthful, isn't it? Essentially, what we want to do is we want to say, hey, with certain outcomes, certain call outcomes, I want to make sure that there's additional updates done within the record in Zoho so that I don't have to remember to update those later on, or I don't have to take the time during a dial session to update that information. And there are certain things that you may want to automate. For example, if you come across a bad number or do not call, you may want to have a specific field on your account that would remove them from any future calling lists. And so what I want to do on this particular training is I want to show you how to do that. So we're going to talk about workflows. So let's go ahead and dive into it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the settings in Zoho, and we're going to go to workflow rules. We're going to create a new rule. This first option for module, we want to select calls, because we want to run this rule based off of calls that are completed when we're using PhoneBurner. I'm going to go ahead and name this rule PhoneBurner, give it a basic description, and then hit Next. And now I'm going to build out the process that Zoho will follow anytime a call is logged in Zoho. So we're going to do it based off of a record action, and we're going to do it based off of the activity being created. So we'll hit Next. And the first condition we're looking for is a subject that is, and let's say, bad number. So anytime a call is completed and the subject line is bad number, that's what we're looking for. And what do we want to do? In this particular case, we want to update a field. So we're going to add a new update. I'm going to name it bad number. In this particular case, we're not updating the calls module. We're going to be updating the contacts or leads module. In this particular case, I'm going to do the contacts. So I'm going to change the name of this to contacts. Bad number contacts, module contacts, and we're going to update our field called remove contact from list. And I'm going to check it. Now I'm going to go ahead and click Save and Associate. And now we've created a rule in Zoho so that whenever a call is completed, if the subject line is bad number, Zoho will automatically update the field remove from list with a check mark so that I can exclude those contacts from any future calling lists. Now keep in mind, we did a very simple process with just one condition and one action. I would recommend that you build a more complex workflow that would include all of the different conditions that would potentially happen during your calls. But we're going to go ahead and start with this. I'm going to save it. Now that we've saved it, let's do a quick dial session and see it in action. So we're going to go back to contacts. I'm going to select a record, begin a PhoneBurner session. And so while I'm in a dial session, if I were to click the bad number button, and we know that when we click the dispositions in PhoneBurner, activities are automatically logged in Zoho. So if I click bad number, that activity is going to be logged in Zoho. Here you'll see that call happened. Let's go back to Zoho and let's open up that record. Now we did this fairly quickly, so we'll probably have to refresh. Nope, there it is. It's already been logged as an activity and a note. And here we can see remove from contact list has not been updated yet, but let's go ahead and refresh that. And now it has. So once that call was logged in Zoho, the Zoho workflow ran its process and updated the field or fields, depending on what you need to have done, based off of the call outcome. Now that's a basic overview of how you can take advantage of the workflow rules in Zoho to automate updates within your contacts or leads based off the call outcomes in PhoneBurner. You'll want to think through all of the different dispositions that you want to have on the screen for your team and what information needs to be updated within Zoho based off of those call outcomes. Now that's it for this particular training. Let's go ahead and move on.